Welcome in Moni's channel. So it is always a pleasure that you're stopping by to this channel, and thank you to all my subscribers and my new subscribers. In this video you will find some summer living room decoration idea. I hope you find some idea for your living room. So yeah, this is my summer living room decor idea, and as well as my entryway and my dining room that I just changed some stuff over so I can make it according to this weather. So now you know it's summer, so it's yellow, green and silver. So, and I really love it. And all through this video, if you really watch all the video, you will see some stuff I still change it around, like the blankets I change it around. Even the flower as well, I change it around. So yeah, family, just enjoy, just watch my living room and share your idea with me. Let me know what do you think, and let me know what do you like about my living room or my dining room, as well as my entryway. So this is the two that I share with you in my living room, in my entryway, in my table decor. So that I didn't really buy nothing for this decoration. I just changing stuff over, and I hope someone finds some idea for your living room area or dining room or entryway. And please, family, if you like this video, if you did not subscribe yet, please consider to subscribe so that will make me happy and post more video, and you do not miss anything else when I post my video, either in-house decor or food. But mostly I post food because I cook for my family mostly every day. So yeah, that's why you can see mostly food, but I do some house decor too. So let me know, family. Please like, share, subscribe, share with your friend. And I would like to have 200 subscribers by the end of the year. So please help me reach my goal by subscribing and invite your friend to this channel. And please watch all the video always to the end so you don't miss any detail in my living room or my dining room or my entryway, family. But as I always said, the reason why you be able to see my video that Jesus loves you, because he's the only one who keep me alive. If I'm still alive and I still be able to post those videos, it's only God. So in conclusion, give your life to Jesus. Have peace with him. Do not die without having Jesus in your life, family. Bye. Like, share and subscribe and watch all the video. And as you can see, this is my entryway. This is love, hope and faith. So I love God, family. If you can see, I love God, and I hope you do too. And I hope you have peace with him, because he is only the one who keep you alive. This is another. Let me know, family. Let me know, what do you think? Share your idea with me if you like it, or whether you don't like it, or what you think I can move around, I can change around. Yes, this is my mirror. It's an antique mirror and I really love it. Yes, let me know, what do you think? And this is my dining room too. It is gold, white, and yellow. So this is the table theme. So I don't know if you can see my bar. I don't really drink alcohol, but sometimes I just drink some wine and once in a blue moon. But I am not a alcohol drinker. My family as well, not a alcohol drinker, but I just drink little wine sometimes. So let me know, family, what do you think? What do you like? Either my table, what do I either in my dining room area or my living room area? Don't forget to share your idea with me. I really love it. Reason why I really love it, I just changing stuff around and I got it the way I want it. So after you clean, you will feel your house a little bit lighter. And I just wish I inspire someone take some idea of my dining room. And yes, as you can see, I change some stuff around. And I love my plants, my green plants. So together we are family. So, and I am blessed to share this video with you. I am so blessed and so happy. And I hope you're happy too to see my video, my decoration idea. I hope you're just happy as well. I'm happy. Yeah, it's yellow and green. Enjoy, family. Bye. Jesus love you. See, now I've changed. I put the blanket in another style, another way. So you let me know which one you like the most. Is it this way I fix it, or the other way I put it just in the middle? I love it. I hope you do too. And if you don't, it's okay. But just let me know. Bye.